Hi guys, today I thought to share some of my cardio workout which will help you to reduce your body fat. So I'll probably do 5 or 6 different variations. It won't take more than 30 minutes to complete our workout. I'll go for a single set of each different variation, and later on we will do 2 more sets of these variations. One thing you guys can implement while doing this workout, like if you if you want to get good results, then better you guys can perform all these workout session while empty stomach. All your cardio workouts should be done empty stomach. That will help you out to reduce your more body fat. To actually, the thing is, if you had your food now, then you will have your insulin level spiked up in your body. While insulin is there in your body with high level, you won't get the opposite hormone, high growth hormone at that time, and that is what I mean. We won't achieve that result. So our goal is to get better result in less effort. So for that we used to do all these workout sessions. I mean, for cardio workout sessions, we'll try to do it in empty stomach, or else if you won't get time in morning, if you are not empty stomach, you just go for these sessions while you had food prior to this session, like 3 hours or 4 hours back to this session. I mean, you guys can do that anytime. So we will try to focus here for our heart rate to go up, and we will just going to lose a lot of calories. So I'll also discuss if you guys can find some of these variations might be difficult for you to perform. If you are very overweight and if you won't able to perform, I'll break it down in some simple patterns so you guys can also do that. So so we can start. Remember guys, one thing, before any workout session, you just go for a normal stretch. I mean, just free your joints, your elbows, everything should be your lubrication in this part should be there. I mean, you don't just go and start all these sessions. Whatever, maybe strength training you guys can do, or cardio, whatever you guys are doing, before performing all these workouts, try to go for a body stretch. Maybe I'll share some of my body stretch routines also later. So we can start. So yeah, so first we will start with press jacks. I have done all those warm-ups. You guys can do whatever stretching if you required. Okay, so we will start with press jacks. Okay, so I'll go for 2 different variations of press jacks. Just jump 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Remember guys, many of us will have this knee wall problem, or maybe some of us want to join army and all, so they used to check this knee wall problem also. So to get rid of that, we can perform this motion. See my legs positions are very important here. We will go straight deep down and up, down and up, down and up. Okay, so that will help you out in the in this area also. Knee wall problem will go maybe after 3-4 months of practicing this. So we had 20 different reps of first variation. Now what we'll do is we'll go for standing run. Nothing is there. We'll just run at one place and try to do it for around 60 seconds. Okay guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 2, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So just run wherever you can and go for a minute at least. In all these variations, you guys can take a rest of 10 seconds, not more than that, because we are targeting here for achieving those heart rates high. So our third variation will be push-ups jack. Those who are not able to do push-ups now, so they can just go for this position itself. I mean, slightly your hand should be wider than your shoulder width, not very wide like this, just slightly wide. That will be fine. And we'll take a push-ups. At the time of taking push-ups, we'll flare our legs outwards. While coming up, we'll take it close in. Just see, just bear with me. If someone is not able to perform this workout, just go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. But those who can perform push-ups can do push-ups at the same time also. We won't go for more reps, just 12 reps. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Okay? Now we'll go for high knees. We'll bring our knees high upward so that our torso also work here. Little bit will work with our abdominals also. We'll try to go for 40 different reps. Try to take your hand here so that you can clap with your knees. Here, okay? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 25, 26, 30, 38, 39, 40. Okay. Now the next variation is we'll flare your legs like this outwards, and we will sit with one leg and then we'll go for another leg like this. 1, 2, 10 reps. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Those who are not able to do can just go like this. Come, go like this. No need to dig it very down. If you are not able to do that, just go this like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? All right. Now we will go for 12 burpees, and then we will our cardio will go for 3 sets or maybe 4 sets, whatever you guys are capable of. Just 12 burpees. How to do that? There are different variations, guys, to perform burpees. Maybe you can do only burpees also. There are different burpees where you can able to hit all over your body part. I mean, throughout your body part, you can go for abs, your thighs, your biceps, your triceps, your chest. Everything will work over there. So maybe later I'll share some different burpees styles also, what you guys can implement. Even your back, scapula, everything will work over there. So today I'm going to show you some simple burpees what everybody used to have. So for burpees, we just have to go for a push-up position, and then we'll come up and jump. That's what is the 1 rep. Okay, let's see how. First, see, you should have a good space so that you won't hurt yourself. Then sit down, take your hands front, shoulder width apart, not much. Now jump on your legs and push your legs backward like this. Here you are working out with your abs also, right? This is now a push-up plank position. Now bring your body down slowly. Okay, up. Breathe out and jump here. Come up, jump. That is 1 set, guys. We'll go for 12 different repetitions. Okay, do it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, guys. I guess I have done 5 variations. There are a lot of things we can do as cardio. We just have to target our heart rate. If you guys are having skipping ropes, you guys can go for a skipping for a minute. You just add that. Or if you won't have that, you can just imagine you are doing with that ropes, and you can just jump like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The last one, guys. Lunges is very good workout. Those who are having some knee problem should not do that. You guys can just do it very slowly. I mean, I'll let you know how to do that for someone who is having injury, maybe leg injury or all. So I'll explain it first the way how to do that. Stand, bring your leg, one leg up. The distance should be according to your body. I mean, not very close, not very wide, just such that your leg, what is there in back, should have your heels touching the ground. It should not come up. Okay, that is the best position. Then contract your hamstring and all. That is the position you are ready to go. Come down. Remember, your knees are not coming out with respect to toes, so it should be inside here in this line, right? So come down, up. This is called lunges. So for lunges, those who are having some problem, just go for slowly this. Okay, 1, 2, those are okay. Can switch your legs meanwhile and can jump. Okay, so like this. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. So that's all, guys. We'll go for 3 different sets for all these forms. Stay in home, guys. Be safe. We'll fight together with Corona. See you guys in next video.